Okay, I want to thank each and everyone personally for joining this session. So first, before start this session, I want to give just a little bit brief about what we are going to discuss today about. Okay, so first I just introduce myself. My name is Balaji. So I am the compute channel specialist for Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Okay, and the Supreme is the account which is managed by me, and along with me I have Ranjan. Ranjan is the partner business manager for Supreme. He is a part of my team. And we have Karthik also, who handles the MOQ business, stock and sale business for me, for Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Today we have one more event is also going same with Supreme for their partners. That's the reason I think I'm not sure whether Karthik is there in the call or not. I think Ranjan has joined here. Okay, so this session is going to be about our latest generation of the servers. So what are the features which is available in the servers, and what are the specifications, and what are the different types of workloads for the different types of workloads, what are the different models are available with the HP, and how we are going to compete with that with the competitions. Okay, and if you guys having any questions in between, either you can send it in the chat or type it in the chat, or else you can just make a note of it. Maybe at the end of the session, we may having a Q&A, so I can able to explain you about the things. In case if the questions, maybe some questions, even I'm also not a well thing. If anything is out of the way, so we will get back to you via Supreme on that one. Okay. Okay, once again, just thanks each and everyone. So you can just go ahead and we can start our presentation now. My screen is visible.
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah, it's visible, right?
Yes, yes.
So as I said, okay, I'm managing the compute business for Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So I just mentioned my contact number and email ID over here. Okay. And today, as we discussed, what is the next generation of HP servers? Okay, maybe most of you may be using the HP servers in your premises. May I know? Okay, 1 second. May I know? Okay, I think the question itself, the answer itself there in the PPT itself. Or can anyone answer what is our server family name?
Valiant.
Yes, absolutely. So we have not changed our family name. Hence, every family will be having their unique name. Okay, their family name like that. Our server is having their family name is called HPE ProLine. Okay, which is mentioned there. Only the generation wise, we are just changing from starting from generation 1. At current, we are at the generation 11. Okay, this is the 11th generation of the ProLine we are having. Okay. I just switch off the video. So now, okay, now as a customer, okay, you may having the different types of things. Okay, so major things. Okay, what was the major changes in the current technology? Can anyone tell what are the changes that's coming up? And everybody, everywhere we're going there, telling there is a major changes, and everywhere you're talking about that one word, one.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Absolutely, you are correct. You guys are almost true. Yeah, absolutely, sir. AI. Everywhere we are going now, it's telling that AI and artificial intelligence. I think world is moving on with the next level with the artificial intelligence. Okay, so that's the thing, and there will be a quite interesting on the AI and ML. Absolutely right, Mr. Narayanan. There is a machine learning is there and the artificial intelligence is there. Okay, for the both, we are really quite surprised what HP has come up on with the AI and ML. Okay, the digital transformation of the complete things. Okay, as you said, very simple. Okay, in the olden days, maybe in the down the line, 10 to 15 years back. Okay, if you need to book a cab or if you need to book an auto, maybe what was the way? Either we need to go to the taxi stand or you need to call your travels and I required a cab or I required any other travel kind of. But now the completely changing with the help of your handphone. Okay, you can just with the help of your app, you can download and book whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want. And same thing like the world is moving like to the Twitter or it may be Insta, it may be a Facebook. Social media is booming like anything. So what do you mean by the digital transformation? What do you mean by this particular things? Okay, for the quite one one regular example. Okay, it's maybe a day-to-day life example. We can take it as a day-to-day life. Maybe everybody will be part of any social media. Maybe a FB, or it may be a Twitter, or it may be a Insta, or whatever it may be. While you are seeing your some things, okay, there will be some ad will be there. Some ad will be coming in between that one. Why this particular user or particular things, why this particular ad is coming to you? Maybe, okay, on what was that one? Or else, once you see that ad, maybe in the next day or very next day or in the same day or very next day, you will be getting a call. Maybe some banking financial ad may be coming and you may getting a call from them. How it's possible? Can anyone? I hope everybody can understand Tamil also, right? Or else, okay. So any specific why? How come it's happening?
History and catch.
Maybe it's a history and catch. Okay, that is. But history and catch is saved in your devices only. Okay, history and catch may be in your own devices only. Either my audio is breaking, my voice is very feasible, or I'm loud and clear.
It's loud and clear only, no issue, sir.
Sent its audio. Okay, so it is not like cookies and histories and cookies, okay, cache and cookies. That are not, it's your own inbuilt devices only. Because of this AI only, okay, because of this machine learning and because of this artificial intelligence, not AI only. So whatever you are just getting, seeing your, for example, you're just going in your browser, okay, you're just searching something. For example, for my kid, I'm just looking for something, this toy or something I'm looking for. But next day, you may getting a call from this related. Maybe you are getting almost a related call from that any telemarketing team or anything. How it's possible? Because of this. That's the digital transformation happening from traditional to the modern transformation. How it is happening in our IT industry also. That we are going to see. Okay. So maybe in the traditional of down the line, if you see it's 15 years back, how our application will be there, how our data centers will build up. Okay, we may having our web server separately, we may having our mail server separately, print server separately, and we may having our file server and storage separately. Okay, so for each and everything, there will be separate individual servers will be there in your data centers. So most probably the rack size will be piled up with the multiple number of servers. Okay, but how this has been happened now? Okay, now the current generation, it's compute for maybe the different application. For example, my ERP application need a different workload and a different specification, server specification required. Maybe my print server, email server may require some different specification. Okay, for that, so we need to require a different kind of things. How this everything has been transformed and is consolidated in the single server. Okay, how it has been transformed in that one, the single server. See here, this is the example. I just showed you, right? This is the past. So this is the past. You may be having a centralized server will be there, and the maintenance will be very complex on that one, and the security approach is very things, and it's a inefficient. Maybe what are the server you are getting, we are not utilizing for the 100% utilization on that one. Okay, so how this transformation happened? Current is it is not centralized. It has been disputed. Disputed. What is the meaning of disputed? I can take only one server. Okay, each server I can able to get it. I can able to dispute the multiple workloads in a single server. How it's possible? Because of this particular technology. Okay, what is the thing? How it has been possible? That maybe in the coming slide I can explain you. And the management is very simple now. You can, with the help of because now it's not a large numbers. Maybe you're going to maintain maybe a hardly 2-3 servers. You can just going to slice the physical servers into multiple virtual servers. Okay, and it has been integrated. Security has been integrated now, and it has been integrated. Okay, and this optimization, as I said, the workload has been optimized, and it's a service also. It's a flexible services. What are the services we can? It is a very flexible on that one. Okay, so this is the past scenario, and right now we have been everything has been put in the current scenario is very simple and maintained. And where we are here, okay, HPE. HPE, our ProLine series compute in engined for your hybrid workload. Okay, hybrid world and hybrid workload, whatever it may be. So as I said, this is the three keywords which we just say. It is a cloud operating experience. Okay, how the my HPE is a cloud operating experience, I can explain you, and it is as a trusted, secure design. So how it has been trusted from that manufacturing till that server is going to the scrap. My server is very secured and it has been trusted design. And my single server is optimized for a multiple workloads. How it has been optimized for your multiple workloads, that is I can able to explain. These are the three things that have been integrated with our latest generation of HP ProLine Gen 11 series. Okay, first, this is the optimized server management tool. Okay, which I'm going to, as I said in the previous slide, the maintenance is very simple. You can able to maintain. Okay, so we are most of you have heard about the HP ILO, but the top two was there. It is a HPE GreenLake Compute Ops Management and HPE OneView. Okay, I think these two I'm not sure. Maybe you guys have heard about. Okay, and most of you heard about the HP ILO. So there is a three different vertical management is there. Okay, on three different vertical management of this particular management tool of the HP, these three will be a different this one setups. Okay, three different features will be there. Okay, first we'll just talk about the HP GreenLake Compute Ops Management. It's a SaaS thing. It is not a okay. It's not like a as a service model, but it's like a as a service application. As I said, it has been for the all server from the edge to cloud. Okay. For example, you may having your cloud in your premises. Okay, in your data centers. For example, I may having a AWS. I may having your Google Cloud, or I may having some other private cloud also, and you may having your own inbuilt account. For each and everything, there will be a separate dashboard will be there, and there will be a separate login will be there. So you will be maintaining. For example, if you want to take the report you want to maintain, so there is a separate dashboard will be available for your AWS or your this one Google Cloud or Microsoft Azure, whatever it may be. So there is a separate login will be there, and even for your on-prem also, your own cloud management for that one, maybe your private cloud setup also, there will be a separate management tool. And this, with the help of this HP GreenLake Compute Ops Management, okay, you can integrate all. That is the things it has given here. This from for all servers from edge to cloud. It delivers as a secure SaaS application. Okay, so improved by HP. So how the thing is, you can integrate with the help of this Compute Ops Management. You can integrate your public cloud, private cloud, everything in a single dashboard. Okay, it will be like a single dashboard kind of things. Sorry. It will be like a single dashboard kind of things. Okay, so no need to go for the different login, no need to go maintain the different dashboard kind of things. So everything can be managed globally. It can be managed at the one point, okay, in the remote point with the help of this Compute Ops Management. Okay, this is the additional extra license has to be purchased. Okay, this is specifically we build it for the cloud application oriented people. Okay, so you can use the multiple various kind of clouds in their on-prem data centers. And another one is HP OneView. This is the another one more management tool. Okay, this is another one more management tool, which it can be maybe the multiple, as I said, as in the initial discussion, I told HPE, we have as a product ProLine family, we have started from HP generation 1, right now at the HP generation 11. Okay, in your data center, maybe for example, you may having the various generation of servers. For example, you may having a Gen 8 servers, Gen 9 servers, Gen 10 servers, and maybe the current at present Gen 11 servers also. Okay, but with the help of this one view, okay, you can able to consolidate each and every things in a single dashboard. And with this HP one view, you can maintain the HP storages also. Okay, this will not support with the earlier versions of the HP ProLine families. It starts with Gen 9 only. It supports from Gen 9, Gen 10, Gen 10 Plus, and Gen 11 servers. I think it can support Gen 8 also. Okay, so who may having the different servers which you can able maintain from the. I'm just talking about is a remote things. Actually, this particular tool was very helpful for past 2 years, last 2 years before. I think hope you everybody are aware that what we had it at FY20. Okay, this one FY20, yes, absolutely right. 2020 and 2021, which was a very pandemic time for the entire globe, okay, entire world. We can't able to go out due to COVID, okay. So how the IT got maintained because of this particular tools, okay, because of this particular thing. You can not only just you can just maintain in the sense means what are the things can be done here. You can able to update your firmware. You can able to on and off here itself. Okay, you can maintain switch on, switch off here itself, and you can able to maintain your firmware updates, and you can able to maintain your drivers. Okay, OS installations or anything has to be done from your like your VMs things that can be integrated over here with the help of one view tool. Okay, this is also a licensed one. Okay, and finally HP ILO. Okay, this is the one is embedded. That's the thing is it is default comes with all HP servers. This particular separate port is available in all HP servers. HP ILO embedded. This license, this is depends upon. Maybe if you are using your intranet, the license is not required. I hope you guys are aware of the intranet. That is between your internal network. It has been already connected with that VPN, or it may be a MPLS, or it may be interconnected. License is not required. You can use put any static IP over there, and you can. But if you want to use it as in the internet, then license is required for that one with HP ILO embedded. And there is a another thing is also there. Is a standard and advanced is there. So advanced is applicable only for the things where you can same thing. This is for individual servers. As I said, the difference between the three management tool, HP management tool is this is for specifically built for cloud purpose, for that hybrid cloud purpose. Okay, where you can monitor your private cloud, public cloud, and everything. Okay, complete maintenance can be done over the single one point of dashboard. And this specifically monitored for specific HP for their group. Okay, this was a group of systems across. As you said, you can see here it's a across compute, storage, and network. This is applicable for entire things. But this is specifically updated for your monitoring for the single server. This is not for a group, or it's not for any specific compute. So it's specifically made it for only a single server. For example, I don't have any multiple servers. I have only one single server. I want to maintain, I want to monitor with the remotely. Yes, with the help of ILO, it's possible. So these are the three different things available with the HP, with the monitoring things. And it's a very secure things. As I said, see here, you can able to see that example over here. As I said, right, I have this is the very simple, unified, and automated. For the HP GreenLake, the window dashboard will be like this only. So I can create a multiple groups. Okay, in that multiple groups, how many servers I configured, and what is the utilization of that particular servers, and what is the firmware complaints of that one, and how we are notified. This will the dashboard will be like this. Your complete hybrid clouds login dashboard will be like this only. So you can maintain. So the thing is, it can be maintained very simply. You can keep it as very simple and very powerful. So only one login, no need to have the multiple passwords to be there, and it is a very encrypted with this encrypted with that encryptions, and you can log in, you can maintain. Okay, and same thing you can wherever in the world, wherever the internet is available, you can able to monitor from any part of the world. So this is the dashboard. Okay. So these are the 8 features. Okay, these are the 8 features which is default available in our HP ProLine family, which is the latest ProLine family. Okay, what are the 8 features, or what are the 8 core categories it is available? Okay, it will be like a server deployment. Okay, and it will be like a life cycle management, and it is the analytics. And as per the governance policy, what do you mean by the governance policy? Most of the government, as I think, it's a e-waste kind of things. So my carbon emission can be like this much of the percentage. There is some criteria, everything will be. I think if you are just checking the government policy kind of things, the carbon emission percentage will be specifically mentioned on that one, and it can be monitored and supported, simplified with across the world, and it has been secured the kind of things, and sustainability of my server, and it has been integrated with the multiple flexible options of the maybe Nest. Okay, maybe like a Nest kind of things. Nest in the sense there is a next generation of hardware that is coming up, and there will be a API. This one. Multiple flexible options will be there in networking options will be available on that one. See, these are the 8 core categories has been deployed in the across of the Gen 11 servers. Okay, and it has been these are the trusted secure. As I said, firstly, how my trusted secures will be there. Okay, it will be a fundamental it will be a fundamental protected. For example, there is a option there in the HP BIOS option, okay, which we say is a silicon root of trust. What do you mean by silicon root of trust? Most of you aware of that ransomware attack, okay. Most of you guys aware of the ransomware attack, or most of you aware of that malware attacks, okay. And how this server is protected from that thing is, whenever your server is okay, you are switching on the server, or it may be a server is running, some malware has been affected, okay, it will indicate you, okay, you can be configured the HP BIOS, it will indicate you that some unwanted malware has been attacked in your server, and it has been restored to the previous version of that firmware. Maybe if your firmware is updated to the 9.5 or something, and some malware has been attacked and it has been crashed or thing, it can be immediate. There won't be any downtime on that one. Immediately it can be this one recreate and reform to the previous version of the maybe 9.3 or 9.4, whatever it may be. It has been completely protected. It has been completely trusted, secure. This is the functionality what is default available in the HP. All the servers, there is only anything. This is a default features available in the HP BIOS versions. So this is the things. Okay, how my server is secured from that factory manufacturing till to that end of life kind of things. Okay, it is has been secured, integrated from the factory to a file with the built-in servers. Okay, through the life cycle. Okay, there will be an option in your okay, there will be an option in my BIOS. So there will be an option. These are all the options which I'm just talking about. These are nothing additional on that. No need to get anything additional. Whenever you're purchasing the HP servers, there will be features will be available in the HP. Whenever you just startup is coming, these are the features default. It will be available on that one. Okay, it has been secured and rugged on that one. Okay, so I told you, right, this is the HP silicon root of trust, protects the 4 million lines of firmware. I told you, see, maybe a secures 2 million sites around the world. So this particular one security itself, okay, this is a very unique security features available in the HP. As I said, you can able to if any unwanted malware has been attacked, immediately you can able to relog that one to the previous version. It automatically go to the previous version of that one with the help of this silicon root of trust. Okay, and continues to advanced security. There will be a see here firmware rollback protection option is there, and booting with that immutable source in the silicon, unchangeable things will be happening. These are the default features. Okay, there is a TPM in all my Gen 11 servers. Okay, I want to leave most of you aware of the trusted platform model. Okay, what do you mean by trusted platform model? So this previously it was the additional feature. Okay, where specifically customers required for these features, it should be there. So it is in Gen 11 there is a default. Okay, this particular feature is default. It is coming with the trusted platform model only. And we have the SED hard disk. Okay, what do you mean by secure encrypted disk? Drives as well as storage controllers. Okay, maybe in my previous generation of the servers, okay, my controller is encrypted, but not that kind of secured encrypted. But in this generation 11, my encrypted drives on not only controllers, even drives also. It's a secured encrypted drives also available in the Gen 11. So it may be protect from that malware and the data. Okay, it's a data theft will be there and theft on the hard drives. For example, you may someone has attacked your servers. Okay, with the help of the things. Okay, and your data has to be theft. Okay, data has to be removed from that. If you are using the SED drives, means then this data theft, because already my drive is encrypted. Okay, unless until I can't take the data without that decrypt or that one, that decryption is not possible over here, unless until if we having a rights to that one. So that's the thing. It has been data theft or theft of the hard drive. When someone is maybe in your data center itself, someone is taken the hard drive from that servers. They have just taken away the hard drive. If you want to connect it with some other controller, they want to take it with the hard drive. Data has been pulled out. It's not possible. It is completely secured with that SED drives as well as the SED controllers. And another one is we have the UEFI BIOS firmwares. Okay, what do you mean by UEFI BIOS firmwares? This particular option, okay, this particular option, okay, you can take it as a continual, okay, you can take, for example, in each server, in my, okay, nowadays, maybe for the different application, as I said in the earlier, different application or different workload, we are not going for the different servers. Okay, we are using the same server for the different application, because how it's possible, the thing is, there is an option. There is an option in my BIOS. Okay, I can fine tune. I can create a template. I can fine tune my BIOS to the different workloads. Okay, I can able to fine tune. That template can be created. Maybe you are using the same server for application for your application ERP, or you using the same server as your AD purpose, because I am just taking one physical server and slicing into each and I am slicing into a multiple virtual servers, right? So maybe how I can able to fine tune this is with the help of this BIOS. Okay, unmatched workload will be option will be there in the BIOS. With that unmatched workload option, you can able to fine tune your workloads. With the help of, you can create default template, and it's each template can applicable for this each specific workload. It can be assigned. That option, that default feature is available. That option is available in the HP BIOS itself, and the HP server, in each and every server it is available. Excuse me. Sorry. And as I said, it's a silicon root of trust. Okay. What do you mean by, as I same thing? When my multiple this there is a multiple booting test, self test will be processes will be there, and if any malware, anything can be done, there is this particular tool, even it will protects. Okay, even silicon root of trust will not allow my server to switch on itself, boot to itself. Okay, it will not go to the boot option itself unless until we are creating the previous version of the malware functions. That's the things it has given. It's a boot with an immutable, okay, unchangeable source in the silicon root. It can be go to the previous version of the server version, and it can be booted immediately. And there is an option is called the supply chain options, where my complete malwares from that entire, these features are already integrated with the factory, and it has been already integrated in my factory things. And okay, from the server is coming out from the factory itself, it has been completely secured till until that server is going as an end of life on that one. This is the secured features, and these features are available only with the Gen 11 servers. Okay, as I said, there is a one more option we spoke about, that this one, right? ILO, you remember first in the ILO I just talked about that. Anything?
Oh, Supreme Computer Soda.
Hello? Any doubts? Okay. So in that previous slide, as I discussed about that compute ops management and HPE OneView, and I talked about HPE ILO. And one more bus also I just told about what is how it has been encrypted, how it has been secured on that one. This is the one, SPDM. It's a security protocol on the data models. This particular chip, okay, ILO chip, has been secured with that SPDM technology. So this, okay, whenever you are connecting with the remote things, okay, maintaining with your remote location, this particular chip is, okay, this is already encrypted, double encrypted. This particular thing is already double encrypted with the data, so no one can access your data with that things. With this help of ILO 6 version, I think the generation 11, it's ILO 6 is available, and it's a cryptographic. Okay, this particular chipset is already encrypted with the cryptographic method, and it's without that authentication you can't able to crack the data. Okay, this is another security features available for your remote monitoring. Okay, as I said, different workload can be optimized in the single server club. How it's possible? with the help of this optimized performance of a workload. So workload optimization, which is called as a workload optimization. And I explained to you in the previous thing itself, you can maintain the multiple workloads in the single server, and it has option is called that workload optimization option is there in the BIOS, where you can able to maintain your multiple workloads in the single servers. And this is very effective and accelerated. And what do you mean by the acceleration and the efficient is you can utilize your server more, and you can utilize your server to the 100%. And these are the latest, what are the latest more performance CPU memories and PCS is available. So see here. So my current generation Gen 11 server is equivalent. See, you can able to see my screen here, right? So generation 9, I'm just giving a comparison of my own comparison. I'm not taking any competition. My generation 9 server is 8:1. My generation 9 server is equal to my generation 11 servers. Okay, I want to ask you one more thing. Okay, what was the maximum CPU core available in Intel and AMD? Can anyone can tell? Okay, so in the Intel, we have a maximum of 64 GB core is available, and the AMD 128 core is available. Intel, very soon, Intel maybe in the next generation, okay, they're planning to release the 128 core also. Okay, we have a maximum of 64 core. Single processor, I'm just talking about single processor. Why I'm just asking about this thing is because how come generation 9 8 server is equal to 1 is at the time of generation 9 servers, we have a maximum, we may talk about 6 core processor, 8 core processor, maximum you will say it's a 24 core processor, okay. But now in the single CPU itself, we have maximum 64 core. That is again thing. And what is the maximum memory capacity, single stick memory capacity? Any guess? Okay.
128.
How much?
128.
You are almost close, but it's not 128, 256. So 256, okay. So 256 is the maximum. The maximum single stick, okay. So in one server itself, okay, I can able to go up to 128 physical core, and I can go up to 8 TB of memory. That I will tell you how 8 TB of memory in the single stick. And with that, not only you are consolidating your server, as well as it will consolidate complete your ROI on the power consumption. Because if you're going to the colo data centers, how they're calculating your, how they're charging with the thing is, they will charge with the rack U size, and they charge with the power calculation. Okay, how much power you are utilizing and how much rack you are going to utilize. Based on that, the monthly charges will be there. Because if I am using a 8 servers in the colo means, and how much he is going to pay for that one, and that is equivalent to the one server, how much per ROI, how much money is going to save on that one. That is the very thing. So you can just save up to 65% of your power as well as, okay, power as well as your ROI is very more on that one. Same thing. If you guys are using very old servers of the HP generation 8, which is equivalent to 11:1. So my generation 8 server, my generation 8 11 server is equal to 1 HP Gen 11 servers. Okay, and not only on that things, your utilization on the more performance utilization is more than 6x compared to the previous generation. So you can just imagine how much of the ROI I'm going to take, how much of the money I'm going to save it on that things. Because nowadays commercial power and data centers, real estate is very higher cost. Okay, how as a customer, how we are going to benefit on that one. See here. I already explained about the accelerated work performance, right? Accelerated workload performance, the HP Gen 11. So 43% of your reclaimed rack space, okay. As I said, okay, this is from the comparison between my previous generation 10 to generation 11 itself, 43% higher side. 43% on higher side on that rack utilization and the workload optimization. Instead of going for multiple servers, Gen 11 can support multiple workloads in the single server, where your optimization and everything can be done in the single server itself. So that is, you can able to grow up to 43% on that one, and the better performance on that generation, previous generation. Okay, as well as the better commercials on the generation. Okay, better generation, it is almost about 90% on that one. So some of the Intel, Intel procs we are going to see right now. What are the Intel things it is going to have? So right now we are at the fifth generation of the Intel latest one, which is called the Emerald. Emerald Rapid. The previous generation will be Sapphire, and the latest fifth generation will be Emerald will be there. And how that thing is, as I said previously, my server has increased like anything. Okay, up to 60% of that socket. Okay, previously my server can support up to maximum two socket to 4 socket only, but it can my server can scalable up to 8 socket also. I can go up to 8 socket servers also. And previous generation, there is a 4800 DDR5 comes with 4000 memory. Right now the bus speed of the memory will be 5600. Okay, and my server can accumulate. Okay, my server can accumulate with basic. Okay, previous I will show you the comparison. Okay, I think I will just show you the comparison. In the previous generation, I can scale up to 24 drives of internal drive with the DL380. Why I'm just taking a DL380 as a quite example is DL380 is one of the major selling servers in the HP client family, and it's a cakewalk for each and every customer. There are multiple options is there. Okay, we have multiple servers. I show you the models, but in that DL380 is the most selling. 80% of our percentage of the server sellings are with the DL380 only. In the DL380, previously I can go up to internally 24 hard drives, and in the generation 11, I can go up to 32 hard drives. And one more, and previously I can go up to, I have only 24 DIMM slots where it can support up to 4 TB of memory with the 120 GB memory stick. Now it has been increased to 32 number of DIMM slots with the 256. So 32 into 256 is coming 8 TB in one server. I can able to go up to 8 TB of memory expansion. So this much of expansion is available in the DL380. And second, the last thing is it comes with PCIe 5. PCIe, it comes with version 5.0. Okay, and second thing, in that PCIe 5.0 also, there is a expansion, a limitation is there. Okay, in the previous generation, you may maximum, you can configure your network cards, maximum you may go up to, if I'm not wrong, 8 to 10 cards. But in the generation 11, I can go up to 32 physical NIC ports, 32 physical NIC ports in DL380 Gen 11. How it's possible is I have 7 slots of PCIe 5. In that 7 slots, I can not 7. It will be 8 slots will be including OCP. There is 8 slots will be there. In that 8 slots, if I consider 10/25 SFP plus 4-port card, I can go up to 32. Either it may be a 10/25 32 cards can be configured over there. So the expansion of the DL380 Gen 11 is very fast. That's the reason we are putting it to our own comparison of DL3C, our own previous generation as well as with the current generation. As I said, so this is the DDR5 with Gen 11 memory sticks, comes with maximum of 256 GB of memory. And these two memories are with the 3D technologies. What do you mean by 3D? It's a low resistance memory and it comes with the 3DS technology. It's quite costlier also. Okay. And you can just find out one more new addition to your family. Okay, family. You may heard about 8 GB, 16 GB, 32, 64. And what do you mean with this 96? Where this 96 came? Okay, so we have HP has come up with a new thing is called 96 GB. Okay, why this 96 has come into the play is some of the people they're looking for from 3 TB. So our memories are with the dual bank memories or quad bank memories. Okay, What do you mean by dual bank, quad bank? There will be a parity will be there. Memory configuration, there will be parity will be there. So technically, if you say, well, memory parity will be there. Some people want to go with the 3 TB of memory, which is quite simple. Either I need to go with the 2 or straight away I need to go with the 4. But this is quite impossible. 96 GB is a single stick 96 GB. You can able to perform with 3 TB of capacity. So this is a new addition to our Gen 11. So this is our Intel portfolio, Gen 11 portfolios. As I said, okay, I have a 1U server, 1U 1P server, 1U 2P. I have a 2U 2P, 2U 2P, and 4P servers, and I have blade servers. And these are the workload optimization. For example, you are looking for some high performance computing. I want my HPC kind of things, and I want to look like a this one. VDA GPU kind of things, and we have a server, entry level servers. We have 1U 1P servers there because there it can be used as a HA servers also. And we have 2U 1P, okay, sorry, 1U 2P. So same thing, same server, DL360. There will be a 2 proc will be there. But these two are restricted in the expansion. What do you mean by restricted? These are the 1U servers. There won't be any scaling technology, okay, there won't be any scaling option will be there. Scale out will be there. There won't be any scaling. But this one, which I talked about, DL380, this is the scaling technology as well as the scale out. Both will be there. Okay. As I said, the expansion of the PC. These two differences only the PCI slots as well as the hard disk expansion. Rest, the BIOS, motherboard, and your processor, memory, everything will be same. So only the dimension and the expansion will be very less on this one. And as I said, there will be one surprise will be there for your A and ML. So we have introduced DL380A. So this A stands for artificial. Okay, this A stands for artificial. So this is the GPU. Okay, if you see here, this is it can support a 4 double wide GPUs or as a 8 single wide GPUs, because nowadays everything is moving on to the AI. Everybody wants the GPU, Nvidia GPU cards and everything. For that, HPE has introduced the artificial servers. Okay, it can support up to 4 GPU. That is double wide. I am talking about enterprise GPUs, not with the GTX, your consumable GPUs. I'm talking about the enterprise GPUs of that each 94 GB of NVLink. It can support up to 4 double wide GPUs, and the memory expansion, rest everything remains same. And there is a one more thing is that this particular server comes inbuilt with the, if you are going with the enterprise high-end NVIDIA classes, that NV Bridge license and everything can be bundled over here. Default bundled over here. So this is specifically designed for AI purpose. And I have a tower server. Okay, I have a tower server of ML350. This is the rest. This is the same tower server. Maybe custom. We are not looking for your rack optimization. I'm just looking for some flexible tower servers for my remote places, where my remote places and remote offices. I'm just looking for this ML350 is there. And as usual, my blade, my Synergy blades are available. This is specifically made for the Synergy. This is for private enterprise things. And this particular frame, okay, HP is the unique one. We are the one, we are having that frames, which is, it says enclosure. Enclosure will be active enclosure. It's not active passive. It's an active enclosures, and it can support, my frame can support multiple variations or multiple server families in the single frame itself. For example, it can support Gen 10, Gen 10 Plus, as well as it can support Gen 11. Okay, and my controllers, which used to say it's Synergy controllers, or it's the 100 gig controllers. What are the things? VCP, Synergy, the frame controllers are with the 100 gig controllers. Same thing. We are having a equivalent Intel to equivalent AMD also. HP, we are giving you the exclusive to HP is having AMD process. AMD is coming up with anything, and for a lot of the multiple large large deals and all, we are most of the customers are having the looking for the AMD servers also, because AMD is having multiple whoever they want with the more core kind of things. AMD is option like that same 1U 1P 2U 2P, and here that we have given that workload optimization where these particular servers can be done. Gen 11 is a SAP certified server. So SAP yes, we have a SAP certified server is available, but for SAP certified, we have a tailor-made server. We used to say it's a HANA TDA server, tailor-made server. In the same DL380, we have a separate TDA servers is there, sir. This is specifically certified for the SAP platform. We used to say it's a DL380 HANA TDA, tailor-made servers. It's available. So that the AMD processor are available in the MOQ stock and sell model. I think AMD entry level will be there, one or two processor, but not with all the options. One or two options will be there. Entry level things will be there. I think Karthik is joined here. Ranjan, Karthik is there.
Yes, Karthik is there, Balaji.
Karthik, we have a entry level AMD options in stock and sell, Karthik.
Yes, we have.
We have, right? We have. I think Balaji from Epsilonix, okay, Infratech, you want to know about it. Yeah, Balaji, we have, it's available in the MOQ. Maybe with the basic, maybe 16 core or maybe with the 32 core. And as I said, it's a DL385. This is mainly built in for that AI and ML big data analytics. Most of the HPC cases and all, most of the things is this AMD servers is preferable. That is the things we are just given for AI, ML big data and your VDA solutions. Whoever want that VDA setup kind of things. And DL, we have a separate SKU itself available in the AMD with suppose the GPU cards. Okay, this is the one more surprise for the HP. Okay, you guys heard about the DL, okay, and ML. Okay, anyone heard about that Ampere Electra? It's ARM technology. Maybe some this ARM technology you guys would have heard about. Can anyone tell me where you guys have heard about? Okay. So who are maintaining that? Who are maintaining in that this one cloud technology? Correct. It's a processor architecture only. I am Chandan. You are absolutely right. It's a processor architecture. ARM technology is a processor architecture. Which previously it was there with our Unix, but now it has been come up with that RL300 series itself. Okay. This is the new added to our Proline family, which is RL300. Okay, this is a specifically built-in technology which is maintained for the cloud native works. This ARM technology you may heard about in the public clouds, maybe in that AWS or maybe with the Google Cloud. You've heard about that ARM technology, but this particular feature has been come up with the HP on-prem itself, and this particular server, okay, performance high-end servers is mainly basically for the cloud native works. Okay, wherever you're looking for some high performance cloud native works, this particular server has been built up on that one. It's a very recent launch with the HP. Okay, even to be frank, as a specialist, as I said, everything even I can't able to keep up with them. I'm just still learning on because it's recently launched on HP. So we want to just give you. I just inserted its slide. Is I want to just as a customer, you want to aware that what are the flavors it's available. Maybe almost all the flavors has been available with the HP. This is one of the major with the cloud native flavors is available with the HP. It's the latest one. Okay. So this is the comparison I want to show you. Okay. For example, in Gen 10, I have maximum of 28. In Gen 10, okay, plus I have 40. But the expansion of Gen 11, it will be 64 CPU. And the PCI slots, I told you, right, it's a 48X and 64X. Now it is available the 80X. I told you in the memory DIMM slots also. Okay, memory DIMM slots is, I told 32 DIMM slots is available. And the expansion is very huge. And the power supplies, we are previous generation, there is one more addition on that power supply. Okay, so we are using up to 1600 watts, but now it has been optimized and kept it to 2200. It is available between 1800 to 2200. Where I do, and I have one more where I can use for more AI related things. GPU workloads has been kept it on more, where my power utilization has to be increased on that one. It's a flexible power supply. And I can EDSF drives also available in that one. As I said, okay, encrypted disk. As initially we talked about this one, right? Our controllers and everything. Okay, secure SED hard drives. This ADSF drives is also available. And another thing is, previously we only that air cooling was available. Now in the server generation 11, it is available with the air as well as from the liquid. So both hybrid options is available for the dim blanks things available, and for both it is available hybrid as well as on the liquid cooling. So this is a comparison, just a comparison how much the expansion we can go on that one. Finally, we are just coming to the end of that one. So as I said, we are at the leading market. Most of you are aware of that one, that HP is the leading market share and HP is the technology oriented. We are not going to sell only the box to you. Our experience, the HP shows to support multi-hypervisor on the same server. Yeah, it's possible. So we are at the market leader, number one on so and so. We, as I said, we are also very genuine. We are only a technology-oriented company. We won't tell that it's a box selling kind of things. As I explained to you, what are the features? It has been default available with the HP latest generation. So nothing has been additional on that one. With that features, you can able to improve your things, improve on your performance on the efficiency on kind of things. Okay, from that I just come up with the end of my slides.
I would like to start with the models of desktop. HP 280 Pro Micro Tower Desktop. It's a fast-selling desktop, powerful PC with a double fan design to accomplish your everyday task. We have ready stock of i3, i5, i7 and AMD in this. Then the sleek design all-in-one PC with built-in features are available in 240 and 440. Then the HP ProDesk 400 Micro Tower, designed to fit the modern workspace with strong security features and scalability. We have ready stock of all these models. Then in Elite series, you can get more powerful performance plus industry-leading reliability, security, and manageability. So different form factors are available in this series. Next comes the laptop. We have 200 series laptop, and in 400 series, it's a complete metal body laptop with more features in it. And the 600 and Elite 800 series laptop. The HP EliteBook laptops are lightweight designs, high security, and premium performance. This laptop comes with a lot of security features like HP Sure Start, HP Sure Click, and HP Sure View, the Sure Sense and Sure Recover technology. Then the HP Workstation. The Asus Workstation desktop PCs are high performance and powerful PCs. The most advanced combination of processing, graphics, RAM, and storage to help fuel your creativity. This can be used for rendering, 3D animation, CAD data analysis, and video editing. The Z1 G9 and Z2 G9 Tower are the current model. We have these ready in our stock. The higher and i9 14th Gen K series workstation, even this we carry ready stock. Then the ZBook mobile workstation. Powerful performance and sleek design, carried anywhere you go without affecting your workflow. These are recommended for 2D and 3D workflows, photography, and for running multiple large files. The ZBook Studio, the ZBook Farid, the ZBook Power Mobile Workstation, the ZBook Firefly, or the different types in the ZBook. So this is available both in Intel and AMD. In HP Printer, we have a range of LaserJet, DeskJet, InkJet, OfficeJet, and PageWide printing and DesignJet plotters. We also provide HP toners for these printers. Poly products. HP expands the industry's broadest portfolio of certified conferencing, room solution, and headset with new Poly range of products for more meaningful collaboration. The Poly Studio is a premium all-in-one video conferencing camera and soundbar system that helps your team connect and come up with big ideas. Quality audio and video for mid-sized room. It is an easy-to-use USB video bar designed for meeting spaces and it's highly secured. It blocks distracting sound and voices with Polycom noise block and acoustic fence technology. The next comes the display solution. We deal with Samsung, LG, Sony, and Benq displays. Large displays can be used for digital signage, commercial TV, OLED signage, video wall application. The size starts from 32 inches to 110 inches. These displays can be used for 16/7 and 24/7 application and comes with 3 years warranty. Interactive flat panels. You can engage your boardroom discussion more interactive with our interactive display. It's available in Samsung, LG, and BenQ. Next, the projectors. We deal with Sony and Benq projectors, who are the manufacturer of true and natural 4K projectors. We have different types of projector which can be used for different segments. Next, the networking solution. We deal with active and passive range of products from multiple brands like D-Link, Commscope, Aruba, Cisco, and Grandstream. These are latest wired and wireless access point which can support maximum bandwidth. Next, the backup storage solution. We have high performance SAN and NAS storage solution. We deal with HP, Synology, QNAP, Asus Store, and Infotrend brand. In consumer computing, we deal with Lenovo, and the products available in this are traditional desktop, all-in-one PC, notebook, lightweight series laptop, gaming a laptop come tablet, and tablets. Gaming and non-gaming monitors are also available in different range, and also we do accessories like headset, webcam, and wireless keyboard and mouse. Next comes the Asus. In Asus, we are doing both commercial and consumer segment. In commercial segment, we have expert books which have unique features. These laptops are available even with international warranty. The light Chromebook or the entry-level laptop in Asus. Traditional desktop are also available in this. In consumer segment also we have traditional desktop, all-in-one, PC, laptop, and gaming laptop. Next comes Apple. We deal with Apple brands, Apple iMac, MacBook, iPad, and iPhones are the gadgets of Apple, and also the gadgets of Apple like iPod, earbuds, Magic Keyboard also we can provide. Next comes mobility product. We are the authorized enterprise partner for Samsung mobility business. We have aligned with them for BIOD, which is known as the Employees Purchase Program. This helps us to give exclusive discount compared to the marketplace. So we are ready stock of Lenovo tabs, Vivo smartphones. We are aligned with Vivo for enterprise business. Also, we deal with other brands like Apple iPhone Plus, OnePlus, Google Pixel, Me, etc. So CCTV and surveillance. This had become the basic need today. Security surveillance used in all places, in business, working place, public places, including homes everywhere. So we deal with Hikvision and D-Link cameras. And we have True Value laptops. These refurbished laptops undergone lot of testing and were certified. This has warranty of 1 year, and also we have 3-year warranty laptops. Next, the components PC building blocks. You can customize your own desktop based on your application. We have experts who can assist you with any of your requirements for gaming application or any other graphic related high-end applications. We also do APC UPS, Luminous UPS, then pause and barcode solution. We deal with Posiflex, Rugtek, Honeywell, Zebra, and TSC products. Next, monitors. We are associated with industry's top brand monitors like HPE, Lenovo, Samsung, LG, and Benq. Next, software solutions. We are the Microsoft certified partner handling Microsoft 365 Cloud Perpetual license and OVL license. Besides, we deal with other softwares like Adobe, AutoCAD, and security softwares like K7, McAfee, Kaspersky, Norton. Next, lifestyle products and corporate gifting. We have huge range of lifestyle products from multiple brands like JBL, Sennheiser, Carvan, Sarigama. These products can be used for gifting purpose to your clients and employees. Next, the laptop service. We have a separate team to address all the laptop service issues which are out of warranty. We are capable of doing any type of service starting from keyboard replacement to a chip level service. We also provide doorstep on-site service for companies. We supply genuine spares, batteries, adapters for your laptops with manufacturer warranty. Next, I want to just talk on Supreme website and YouTube. We have dedicated website where we have showcased all our product. It has the complete information on every product range, and you can place the order directly. Across India and most of the location, we can deliver materials directly. You can refer the website for the new launch and updates on the technology. We have dedicated YouTube channel, Supreme 360, product updates, and this kind of training programs we conduct or uploaded in that. Thank you.